everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the 6th annual Cars and Cannons car show at the Fort Clinch State Park in Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach. And this is Scootervision. This was a good event. It was a little small. Of course, they had a small area to work with, so I kind of understand it being a little small. It was an awesome event. It was cool to have a car show inside the fort. That was different. But anyway, here's the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Well, she's got her crap, but Carla is afraid of it. So there's no way they would let that family take it. They would find someone that can do something that's not us.
It's going to be a bank, whoever, who handles the money, make sure she goes to the site.
You're going to have to do something unless someone wants to, but I can't think of anyone that can handle her.
Who is the age that
I know. I said, you pick someone young. Well, it's just like my sister.
you were young then.
Yeah, well, I wasn't really young. I mean, and you were really young when it happened. 20 years ago, it's still not right. And then, now, that one week I had it when I was in
Oh God, I remember that story.
that I was like, okay, now I know what
Gonna have to go the long way around.
You're going to have to come up and go through those buildings. So are you?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that gate's locked over there.
I know. I was going to say.
I can go that way.
Huh?
I can go that way.
She said you had to come through the building to go down that ramp there. And through that gate.
All right. I'll come back around.
All right.
You're okay.
I was not paying attention.
I have to watch for pedestrians.
I need my glasses. In case I need to read something. All right.
So I gotta rip around and come up the ramp and go through the building.
Yeah.
All right. They asked for it.
Did you lock it? I'll lock it if you had.
Okay.
We're in.
right.
I'm doing well. Good. There's a sticker for you. Stuart here has got the ballots for people's choice. If you just look at the car's dash, it'll have the number on it. Welcome in. There's a sticker for you. All right. And then he's got the ballots for each of the cars in the People's Choice Award.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Ballot for you.
All right.
We're coming out. Show the ballot for your vote.
All righty, thank you.
Let's start over there and come back this way.
I got 3 in my pockets. I think it's yours, Mother's, and mine.
Look around on the Mustang or no?
Yes.
I got mine. Next time,
Yeah, next time
one of them, and we'll drive one of them.
Oh, it might be.
It's bad. Chevy S10 rear end. So we've kept it in the family.
The only way to do it. Unfortunately, a lot of people get them in
And probably that white one.
Speaking my husband's language.
I may have to have you take a picture of this.
So where's the engine?
Didn't expect that.
It's on the hour.
Yeah.
Never heard.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Well, if the wife and I are fighting, brother, that's all right. Because me and that sweet woman, but if you mind your own business, mind your own business. Mind your own.
But this has been rescheduled. Are you ready to And they're still doing the
That was sold out. And I was like, that was nice. I'm glad that it did. The first year,
Be fun. It probably won't, but we'll see. I'm amazed.
Yeah.
It's about to level out.
Hang on. Get on the grass.
It's about to level out. Hang on. There we go.
There you go. You're rolling back.
I know I'm rolling backwards. I had to get it back in,
Forward.
get it back to going again.
It's been forever since I was up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I still got to come back down here.
There are still little trails down along the wall where you
Yep.
can walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get turned around?
Oh yeah.
Alright. You're going to have to use your brakes going down.
Definitely.
Yeah. Starting to sprinkle.
I got an idea.
What?
I want to get a picture from right there,
Yeah.
looking out over the cars.
Okay. Yeah, that trunk was like number 35.
Yeah.
Ooh, 35. It's 23.
20. Wait a minute. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Yeah.
They had a bunch pre-registered and didn't show up.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, you ready? Starting right.
Okay, let me spin around.
I'm gonna hit that.
Okay.
You handle that pretty good.
That was fully on the brakes the whole way down. With no power.
Anything else you want to look at?
I don't reckon. Anything you want to look at?
No. I've seen all this before.
I thought they might have changed some things, you know. Hey guys, so we are at the 6th annual Cars and Cannons at the Fort Clinch State Park in Fernandina Beach. Kind of a light turnout. I think there's only like 25 cars here. You can see them in the background there. There's some awesome cars here. Don't get me wrong. There's a couple cars here I ain't never seen before. But anyway, we made it out. It was a bit of a trek to get in here. I'm gonna tell you that for sure. And anyway, just wanted to give you a little update that I did make it in here. I did get to see the cars. I did take video. We're not gonna have a pole cam video because it's just it's not going to happen. But we do have Scootervision and the walkabout cams. So that's going to just have to do it for this video. Kind of limits you when you can't participate in the car show because they limit the years of cars that can participate. But anyway, so stay tuned. We'll update later. Stop coming up that hill.
Yeah, I know.
If you stop and think about it.
Yeah.
Can't go out that way, I don't reckon. You're going to be an asshole and go right back through the gift shop.
Yeah, you don't have to go right through the gift shop. I love it.
Yeah, you kind of do.
You went out there the way they did. Oh,
Gates.
Landon.
Yes.
Go Gators.
Go Gators. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.